we're just 6 months operational in the industry, so most persons didn't really know who we were or where we're coming from. So it just made sense to have an initiative that brings a lot of persons together to just have like that community, because we believe that for trade to really happen, community has to be first. So community first, and then trade second.
Sometimes there's a lot of us in the same ecosystem, but we don't even know each other exist. Sometimes we might know what each other exists, but we don't quite understand what we do. So the opportunity to actually be face-to-face and speak about each other's businesses in formal setting helps us to find new solutions and find new ways of partnering with each other.
And today, my eyes got opened to a lot of investment opportunities.
This was awesome. I'm still tingling with excitement.
We don't really have this type of events.
But there are fewer and fewer platforms that speak about what you can do with a neighboring country, or what you can do with Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Ghana, and the like. So we said, for that to happen, there has to be education. And for education to happen, there has to be community. Community first, then you educate that community, and then the community can move on to spread out to other communities, and that sort of like builds up the whole ripple effect and change that we're looking for. So.